Language of communication is the key for any successful relationship. Hi, this is Renee Sethi, life and a fitness coach with Wings to Life. Today, I'll narrate a short story of a couple wherein husband takes her wife to exotic holidays, amazing restaurants, buys her all the expensive gifts. पर शायद अपने काम की वजह से वो अपनी वाइफ को ज़्यादा टाइम नहीं दे पा रहा था. Wherein, on the other hand, wife was vouching for husband's time. She thinks that I am always there for my husband, but when I need him, he is never there for me. Now, it's husband's birthday. He thinks my wife didn't even bother to plan any surprise for me or give me any expensive gifts, wherein I put in all my effort and energy to plan for her birthdays, her anniversary, and every small occasion. And she didn't even tells me how she feels. She didn't even notice it. ये शायद हर रिलेशनशिप में होता है, पर क्यों? Maybe they both are speaking different love languages to communicate. हमें ये समझने की कोशिश करनी होगी कि दूसरा इंसान क्या चाहता है. हम अक्सर लोगों को वो देते हैं जो हमें चाहिए, ना कि वो जो उन्हें चाहिए. Now, the wife is maybe looking for husband's quality time. Maybe she needs someone to talk to share and discuss things, to tell her heart out. Maybe she needs a childlike hug, or maybe just a shoulder to lean on, but maybe she is missing out on the value of words. And on the other hand, maybe husband needs a word of affirmation, some appreciation, a support. Maybe he wants his wife to be more expressive, but maybe he's missing out on the value of time, which cannot be created, which cannot be reversed. पर दोनों शायद अलग भाषाएं बोल रहे हैं. Maybe जब हम अपनी भाषा में बोलते हैं, अपनी लव लैंग्वेज में बोलते हैं, तो शायद वहीं से दूरियां और मिसअंडरस्टैंडिंग्स बढ़ जाती हैं. So what we need to do? We need to learn the love language which other person can understand. Train ourselves to understand other person's idea. We need to communicate in a language wherein we can understand the other person. So, fill in your love tank. Give love. Thank you so much. Have a good day.